Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Imo Yokan. Imo Yokan is a Japanese traditional autumn dessert that is made of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are in season, and at this time of the year, I crave this dessert so much because it tastes so good. The taste is so simple and humble, but I give it a little twist to add some texture and look gorgeous. I hope you like it too. Let's get started. Scrub sweet potato well, wash away the dirt and clean the outside. 1/3 of the sweet potato will be used as toppings, and cut them into 1 cm cubes. Cut them into 1/2 inch cubes. Release in water and remove the excess starch. You should release in water just after cutting it into cubes, otherwise it will turn brown and won't make a beautiful final product. And to the rest of the sweet potato, cut in 1/2 inch slices and cut off the skin. Tough fiber is run through just underneath the skin, so we should remove about 5 mm inwards from the skin so that you can make a soft and silky smooth texture Imo Yokan. Cut into chunks and release in water as well as the topping. Now you have thick skin from the sweet potato, you can make a stir fry, kinpira as we call it. Cook and season with honey and soy sauce, and it will make a great side dish. To make the toppings, bring water and sugar to a boil and add prepared sweet potato. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes or until done. Leave it until used. For the filling, add a pinch of salt and water halfway up to the sweet potato and start cooking on medium-low heat. Cook for 10 minutes or until done. While still hot, pass through a sieve to create a smooth texture. Use a sturdy spatula to do this job easily. Or you can use a food processor. Separate the liquid and sweet potato from the toppings. Measure the syrup and add water up to 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters. Put the Kanten powder in a pot and pour the liquid. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir until it comes to a boil. Keep boiling for at least 1 minute. Keep in mind that Kanten should be really cooked and completely dissolved in water. If you are not boiling it, the granules of the Kanten will remain in the liquid and the texture is not good. After boiling for 1 minute or more, turn the heat off and add in the sweet potato. Mix well and turn the heat to low and cook a few minutes more until it comes to a boil again. When the filling looks shiny and glossy, stop cooking. Prepare a container and drop a vegetable oil and grease the inside. Pour in sweet potato filling and cover with topping. Push gently to stick each other. Leave it until it comes to room temperature. When it's set, cut into bite-sized pieces. Kanten is a gelling agent that is not melting at the room temperature, so you can leave it on the countertop, but if you want to keep it longer, keep it in the refrigerator and keep it for the next couple of days. The filling is so smooth and not overly sweet, and the topping has a slightly crunchy texture. This is what I want, and this is perfect for the afternoon treat. I hope you will give this recipe a try. And let me introduce another beautiful aprons from my friends. I just love it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!